In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, open Settings. Then you need to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Now click on Lock Screen Password and choose Continue in the pop-up after 5 seconds. Now select one of those options to select password type, in my case pattern. Over here you can also click on Use a different password type and change your mind. I will stick with pattern though. Over here enter your login method and when you're ready, repeat it in order to confirm it. You can also choose Add in this pop-up and add your fingerprint right away. I will go with Cancel though. So now when I click on Home button, switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!